Make ratich oganda koro onyiso luoro ne piny owacho ma Uganda chano rocho ombulu ma ichano bago chieng' tich ang'wen mar jumane kane gitwak kod jofwambo gidwaro mondo mi pinje ma oko ochung' kod Uganda eno ni yiero no bagi e yo makare. Gilero ni duol mochung' ne yiero piny Uganda onge thuolo mar tawo yiero no to gichich ni apisas mag arita ema biro bedo e ong'ala manyime. Yiero ma tich ang'wen ma Uganda oyo jolar kom mar ker aboro kamoting'o Robert Changulanya mong'ere kaka Bobi Wine gi Yoweri Museveni e kind mamoko.
And it is evident that the state is preparing itself to rig the upcoming elections and deter elections observers from monitoring and reporting objectively. We have witnessed the use of security agencies, including the military and the police, in the harassment, intimidation of opposition leader Robert Chagulanyi, Bobi Wine, and his supporters, many of whom have been forcefully disappeared, arrested, and maliciously prosecuted while being held in detention for days, months, and some for years. The Ugandan elections have been militarized to a point where the military is blocking and arresting, making political statements clearly in contravention with the laws of Uganda. For instance, the military has announced that all voters should go home after casting their ballots.
In a few days, starting from Thursday, we will be in darkness. Internet will be shut down. We saw some time back when they said in case you want to purchase Starlink, the CDF has to give you permission for you to access it in Uganda. So this at this moment points to the fact that Uganda, the internet will be shut down. So I call on the people, if you have a friend in Uganda, because we want to know what will be happening there.
Temperatures are high, so it's upon the young people in Uganda, come out to vote. Don't fear to vote. It's your right to vote. So when you vote, defend and protect your vote. And that is what should happen across the East African nations.
Tungni no bede school maraganga mayudre county makisi bang jonyuol gi